Right, in this equation we're going to solve where x is actually in the denominator. So we're going to solve x minus 4 is equal to 5 over x. Again, we just look for the lowest common denominator. So the lowest common denominator, this will have is x over minus 4 over 1, and we've got an x. So that the x will be the lowest common denominator. So the principle is that you multiply both sides by x. So you get x times x minus 4 is equal to 5x over x. Obviously the x here cancels, and then expanding you're going to get x times x, which is x squared, minus 4x is equal to 5. Now this is a quadratic. Solve a quadratic, put it equal to 0, so we're going to take 5 from both sides. So we've got x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is quite an easy one to factorise, so we'll factorise it with two brackets, putting in x. The numbers to make 5 are 1 and 5. We want minus 4, so that means that one has to be minus, and that one will have to be plus. And therefore, either x plus 1 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to minus 1, or x minus 5 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to 5. Checking this, so we're going to check that when x is equal to minus 1, the left hand side, x minus 4, becomes minus 1 minus 4, which is minus 5, and the right hand side, which is 5 over x, will be 5 over minus 1, which is minus 5. So we've got agreement, so that is the solution. And then for the other value, when x is 5, for the left hand side we're going to have 5 minus 4, which gives me 1. And for the right hand side we're going to have 5 divided by 5, which gives me 1. Again, we've got agreement. Therefore the solutions are x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 5. So this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation where x is in the denominator. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.